Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, man. It's Monday morning, December 9th. What's up, Signature? It's going well, man. I'm excited. Three Pony, my guy. What's up, man? Um, Yeah, man, it's another week. It's been a struggle month, man. It's like I keep getting trapped in this cycle of doing bad, figuring things out, finding my space and doing well, and then getting too excited about me doing well and falling back into my old mistakes. And it's just kind of like a cycle. But I feel like every time I go through the cycle, I do get a little better. So it's not all bad, but it's definitely still a struggle. What's up, Q? Um, yeah, man. So, I wandered into SMCI pre-market again. I really don't want to do that. It's such a stressful experience trading in pre-market, and yeah, it feels so naked without a stop. And I mean, even though I'm sitting here watching it, but what up, Pond? What's going on, man? Good to see you back. So, hmm. I feel like this. I want to put my stop in right here, but I feel like it's gonna get wicked, and then I'm gonna be mad. But getting wicked is better than getting destroyed, which definitely could happen. Uh, what you been up to, Pond? You still in the game? It looks really good on the 5 and 15, but you know that opening candle be ridiculous. I wish I had my stock. I would have shared size for 46. I was way too aggressive for a pre-market position. Way too aggressive. But man, come on, baby, go up. Come on, baby, take that 48 out, man. It's coming down. Damn it. That's what's up, Pond. All right, yeah, now it's getting real destructive. And this is why it's just better to wait, man. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm in big trouble now. What up, Kizzy? IDTC. Yeah, I really created a rough morning for myself with this move. Man, look at the sales on here. Wow. Yo, Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Looking for that wave. Hey, Nvidia looking kind of cool. Well, it's kind of ranging, but yeah, that daily ain't too saucy. Whoa. Almost. 60, 55, 48 limit down. Wow, that's a big candle, man. That's a huge candle. What's happening with this stock? What is DXYZ? What the heck, man? Bruh, it's an $8 candle on a $60 stock. That's pretty wild. It's just overextended. SMCI looked like a good short under 46. Oh, garbage. SPY just made a new low of day. I'm telling you, bro, SMCI under 46. Ah, yeah. Well, let me stop. I don't know nothing about shorting. I'm just talking. A CEF? I ain't even heard of that, bro. Do their due diligence. Yeah, that's for sure. Hmm. Hmm. Tesla's way up there too. I should have took some at VWAP, man. Just to keep my trading day alive, you know. Bruh, they did that to me, bro. They literally messed me up. Yeah, I don't know, man. That max loss got me on that one, but I totally destroyed my trading day in pre-market and my unwillingness to keep my line in the sand as it traded down at the open. But they canceled the stop max loss activated and canceled my stop loss, and then it dropped down like another, you know, whatever. Nah, actually, that's my fault because I forgot I sized up. That's why I should have taken some off up here. I could have at least taken off, I don't know, just half of my position up there at VWAP, just to keep my trading day alive. But failed at that one. What a destructive day. I've had way too many destructive days in a row. What a waste, man. Just a totally wasted opportunity. And honestly, my two picks for today, not great. Gapped up to resistance, basically. Like, just gapped up right up to this, all this price action. And same with PLTR. Well, PLTR is ATH, but you know, third day, second after the day after the second green day. Yeah, so I really did myself in today. That's why you take off at VWAP. I was sitting there refusing too. I knew I should have taken some off at VWAP. Could have went to VWAP and break even, and I would have, I could have got a something like a R out of that trade, half a R, something. Man, just simple procedure, man. VWAP. I was kind of waiting for higher day, but I mean, 80.50. That's a good number. Yeah, I ruined everything this morning. I haven't done that rule in a long time, Kay. Um, but my thing now is kind of waiting for I kind of want to wait the first 5 minutes just so I can get some candles to print and have some volume to measure against. But my mistake today was taking this trade pre-market on SMCI for no reason. Just sitting here. I don't know, man. I don't know why I do this stuff. But yeah. But I like my waiting time for like PLTR. Um I just wish I took some out at VWAP, especially at the whole dollar. We just passed through 80 and went to 80.50. I definitely could have taken just two shares, something, anything. Uh, man, it's just so hard to be consistently committed to one way of doing things. It's like every time you get into a different situation, you just feel inclined to play it differently instead of just sticking to the plan. Mm. Oh yeah, when did that get into my playbook, Q? Lots of good volume on that candle though, for sure. Definitely good volume for the reversal. But I mean, unless you really get in at the bottom, bro, the stop width, for me anyway, with using the previous candle, you're talking about like a $4 stop. But I mean, that's not that big considering the moves that this thing is making today in one candle. Yeah, that's expert level. I ain't there, bro. Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. So yeah, I just didn't have anything in my gap list that was great. Um I saw IPG, but it looked like a buyout. So I didn't want to mess with it. But I mean, as far as daily setups, this is the one, and it gave a really nice reversal too. So, but the daily range is only $1. It's not really my type of stock to play. I haven't seen Trey yet. LDTC. That halted. That little bitty pop. 47 to 62 halted. That's funny. And they only bidding it up 8 cent, 6 cent. I need another option, man, for these type of mornings. I guess it makes sense because there's not much of their price is so small that a 5 cent move is actually pretty significant. Yeah, that's wild. Uh, you catch any of them fights this weekend, Kizzy? The one fight I wanted to see, man, I fell asleep before it came on. The Oscar Valdez rematch. Fell asleep. I saw he got knocked out though. He barely won the first fight, so I was kind of expecting that. He actually was getting beat up the whole fight, and then just happened to knock the guy out. All right, so this morning I came in. uh, Nothing good on gap list. All right, so I come in, I sit down, I look at my scanner, I see SMCI, and I see it has gapped up, but day after Green Day, and gapped into resistance. So this isn't like an ideal setup. It is inside all of this price action. So not really excited about that. And what was pre-market like? Pretty much ranging whole pre-market. Why does this always do that? Hmm. Yeah, I mean it already peaked out, double topped, and then faded down to here. And now it's at yesterday's high though. Ain't no big volume coming in. Yeah, so don't really care for that. It's not a terrible setup because I mean you're breaking over this, but what I don't like though is that it's the second day. I really don't like that Hitchens' fight. I was at work all weekend. Man, when's the Hitchinson fight? Uh, and then PLTR's daily. This is so tempting just because it's ATH, but it's super extended. It's been going up for a long time. Like any day now, it's time to reverse. So, and then I had Sound, which also was super extended. Sound and PLTR were pretty much the same. Well, nah, Sound was way more extended, and it actually is doing well. Yeah, I might have to look that one up. Actually, kind of looks like PLTR and SMCI might turn it around today too. Yeah, Sound is diabolical. It's not that bad when you go. I think when you go in after these days that have big tails on them, where it's like it already had a pullback on this day, seems a little more viable. Yeah, SONN. Hmm. Yeah, I think Tank's just his career's just been sorely mismanaged. I think yeah, same here, Trey. Today was diabolical. I didn't even give myself a chance to have a good day today. Um, I do not have a routine in the morning, man. Uh, it's like just like it's so hard to come in here and just be like, well, I'm not gonna do anything. You know? Like, all right, I don't see any charts that I like, so I'm not gonna do anything. Mm. Mm. You know, I really been thinking about switching to the 5. Oh for 5. Dang, bro. You trading though. Yeah, Tank, just his it Floyd just took too much of an influence over his career and wanting him to be Money May instead of Pretty Boy Floyd. You know, Pretty Boy was a killer. Pretty Boy was knocking fools out and working people like he wanted all the smoke. And then he hurt his hands and just went to winning the fight defensively and strategically, which was amazing also. But um, it kind of people following that blueprint kind of ruined boxing for a while. And but anyway, yeah, I think Floyd just wanted to, I think looking back, looking at it like a business and not really caring about legacy, that is the best way to go about it. But if you're an actual fighter and you want to be, you want to have that legacy, that's not the way, man. I think if he just gets in a better position though, as far as his management, he might stick around. Need Turkey Alashek to get him over there, get him in some real fights. IPG end up going, not a team. Mm. Yeah, I think the breakdown is important, Trey, because it's like we want the bounce. We don't want to just buy it just because it's low, but it's how it gets there. Really wanted to make the move when the volume's in it. Make that dip on volume, and then you want to see the buyers step in. But I mean, these small caps, bro, they kind of they can go down real slow like this for a while, and then you just see a big order come in and kick things off. Kind of hard to play those. Yeah, that's facts, Kizzy. But I think it's coming back, man. I think it's coming back. We just gotta get the O's out, man. Oh, bro. Yeah, that was wild, man. That was wild. And like Oscar telling Eddie Hearn he don't know how to match make because he been putting his fighters in real fights and testing them. Like Oscar's whack, man. Salam no. Man, Amazon. This daily is terrifying on Amazon to me. Especially after this big green day. Hmm. Now that looks kind of good right there. No volume though to really substantiate anything at all. Yeah, I hear you, Q. I'm not really having time frame issues. I'm just having discernment issues. Yeah, it's so hard to do, Kizzy. It's so hard because you know that just one trade will fix it all. So it's so hard to walk away. But I mean, gotta draw the line somewhere, man. I just want my bad days to be the market, not me. Like I want to be able to look at my bad trades and be like, well, I mean, the daily was fire. I had to, and the setup was great. I had to try it. You know, honestly, I'm not mad about PLTR as far as my entry, but I definitely could have disqualified it based on the daily. And yeah, same with SMCI for real. Like this day, like after this day, this is when I want to play. And the rest of this is crap. You know, maybe after this day, but it's yo, what up, Arthur? Arthur, you come in so positive, bro, that I be thinking that you can't see my P&L. I be like, man, that's a really good energy, man. Does he not know that I've already destroyed myself today? Man, yeah, Spy is struggling. Hmm. Yeah, I just and it was stupid, man. These are avoidable, very avoidable mistakes, man. I took a trade pre-market and then just didn't want to accept that it was a bad trade at the open, and I just kept letting it push lower and lower and lower, thinking, all right, it's got to go back up now. It's got to go back up now. It did not. It's still going down. uh, 30% fade. Trey, I mean, Q, we're gonna need a list of everything that you're planning to short for the day at the morning. I need to know so I can stay away from them joints. We got to stick together, man. We can't be. Okay. Did you post in the court? Oh, oh, so you sold it and covered, and then sold it again. Is that what? Is that? Am I reading that right? So would you be mad at yourself for this first sell? Because it's low a day? Man, I think SMCI and PLT are about to turn around right now. Definitely SMCI. It made a nice base down here. Real nice base. Wish I could get in that. Um, maybe it was a good daily and I was just too aggressive. I didn't wait for, well, I had already jacked this one up. Um, okay. Yeah, this one's crazy though. Where'd you put your stop on this sale? Pre-market high? That wouldn't be very much, that wouldn't be very good RR. Maybe 5. I guess probably the break of 5, huh? Is that where you put your stop Q over 5 on this first entry? Hmm. Yeah, I love this ad too. Pre-market highs? Dang, that's pretty wide. I guess it ain't that. Get in at like what, 470 something, stop it. So like a dollar stop almost. Okay. That's kind of what I expected. I was doing that for a while and really liked it, man. It's a thing Jared from Live Traders talks about. Uh, what it was, double the stop, half the risk, or something like that. And so you give that thing some room to play around. And if you're wrong on the idea, you only lose half a R. And then when it confirms, like it did here, then you can add to your full position. Hmm. Right. What up, Ben? Yeah, I took a trade pre-market. Didn't want to cut it at the open when I should have, and let it drop all the way down to 4R loss. And then I took PLTR and added here, thus doubling my risk, and then got stopped out. I just should have taken some at VWAP, but whatever. Yeah, I really didn't have much to pick from this morning, and wasn't patient at all, man. I think at most I should have a 1R loss on PLTR, and whoa, any that thing is rolling. Yeah, nah, not brave, stupid. I've already proven to myself that it's not something that I want to do. It's not a. It's just not. It's not something I want to do. I'm not good at it. I haven't developed it as a skill, and I don't know. It's just every now and then I get in a mode where I'm sitting here pre-market and I want to trade it, but it rarely, when it works out, it's awesome. It's really awesome, but it doesn't work out that often. Dang. Yeah, oh, for sure, man. For sure. It's super dangerous. That's why I don't like trading it. And you don't have a stop. Later morning reversals. Yeah. Let that thing bottom out, huh? Let that thing bottom out. But like that's what I mean, like the volume. I was so keen on the volume that first week where I was killing it. And then I just started wanting to buy everything. But like you just look at the fade, man. All this red volumes pushing down, pushing down. Then you get your first spike here, kind of hinting at the end of the push. And then big volume down here. And then it's basing. And then now you see some buyers come in. So now like your eyebrows up. And, maybe two red candles. You start looking for something. Looking for something close to 326 as you can get. It's got to be on low volume though. Really? Is that good or bad, Ben? So what do I do, y'all? When I come in and nothing's on my gap list, I just don't trade. I just really just don't do anything. I've been here before. I said I was gonna play PlayStation. It's hard to wrap my mind around that idea of not trading. But it needs to happen. There's definitely going to be days. Yeah, I hear you, Q. There's definitely going to be days where there's just no good opportunities. So, and to trade anyway is to have days like today. Hmm. Trade on the sim. Simple as that. You don't trade. Hmm. 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 So I need another setup, is what you're saying. Converted to an IPO. Dang. Hmm. Uh-oh. I lost it. Um, I guess my actual textbook. I'll show you on SMCI. Oh man, what just happened? Let's close that. Are not correlated. What do you mean, Ben? Golly, it's a lot of charts. All right, from the daily. Let's go up here. This is really what I want to see right here. Like this is a great example. This day right here where we got a high, right? A higher high, and then it pulls back. Nice low volume. Basically what I look for an intraday setup. I'm just looking for it on the daily. But I like the pullback, narrow range, hammer candle, and then gap up next day. Like this right here is what I'm looking for on the daily. I want to trade this day right here after this. That's where I'm at. So big volume, nice increased volume on the move up, low volume pullback, gap up. That's what I'm looking for right here. First green day. What time is it? 9:30. Not even. Um. Yeah. Yeah. I've done really well on those. Things that had like a really strong catalyst in play, gapping up, all that good stuff. Of course, I want to be where the volume's at. But like taking trades up here, this is like Billy on intraday. Like if this was intraday, this would be a Billy buy, right? This would be decent. Like buying the break of this candle, but buying up here, that's Billy. So it's really the same principles. Yep. But all right, I'm hoping you're walking me down the path with this. So this is a nice daily I had on UMAC. Um, this was a fun day, man. When was this? Man, that was a fun day. Exactly. Exactly, Q. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I love that UMAC trade, man. This stuff just makes me happy seeing. It's like, okay, I can do a little something sometimes. That's that good old VWAP submarine right there, boy. What a trade, man. Um, what am I doing here? Okay. Let's see. Man, I'm definitely disappointed in this last stop out, bro. Like, you just, maybe not, you know. Moved it to break even. I already ate a lot off of it. I guess I was just holding this for the YOLO, the Yo Lizzle. Dang, my return is 267. What the heck? Oh, this is the one where I stopped out with way too many shares. Uh, yeah, I remember this trade. They got a voice quote now on Webull. Turbo Trader. Webull been working, man. Man, man, logging into things is so complicated now. Trying to get my Weeble going. I'm about to take you up on that, Arthur, and I'm gonna start my all right, let's see here. Let's do it that way. What's up, HH? Let's see here. There we go. All right. You said AI. What's the daily? It's kind of up though, man. This is not where I would like to enter a swing position. I've been sitting here thinking about that, HH. I need to work that into my routine. No trade days. I don't have those, man. All right, let's look for some. Let's see here. Watch list. Let's make a new one. Swing. All right. All right, folks. Let's build a little swing watch list real quick. I'll put AI in. Did that work? There we go. All right. What else? What we got that's looking good on the swing tip? I guess it would have to be something not doing well today. Well, look at Uber. Buy Uber. Uber down here. There's no monthly chart on this. Let's check out Bear. This is yeah, that's true. It's probably more important than this. Hmm. I like that HH. I'm gonna add those real quick. That's Q. All right, so I got my swing watch list started. This is my first step towards my swing account. Um, man, HH, I wish there was a way. Okay, maybe I can do it here. Ah, oh, you can only add one. Oh wait, I'm elite, right? Yeah, I'm elite. Aggregation time 6 month time interval 1 day. That's awesome. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, bro, I started it for you, man. Not for you, but because of you. I need more. I'm gonna start doing my research, man. And I'm gonna start my paper swing career. And we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. So AISQ affirm. I got it over here on the side, so just drop it in the chat if you guys got some suggestions for my swing list. I actually always thought I would be a better swing trader than an intraday trader, just because swing removes so many of the variables that makes day trading hard, which is the pressure of time, the fast moving price action in the moment. The moment is probably the hardest thing, just the moment, the pressure to make a decision in the moment. And with swing trading, that goes away, you know. Just swing the spy. Affirm. I'm just adding it. I'm gonna go through. I'm not just gonna buy all these that are on the list, but I'm just adding based on y'all suggestions, and then I'll go through and see what I like. You know. Uh, what was this day? Look at this day. Just buy the DPY. This bio. Well, yeah, I mean it removes the bad variables, like the things that make it difficult, the things that make it stressful. Okay, I'll accept that challenge. I mean, most obvious swing for what, a short? It just looks super extended to me. I hate Catalyst. I don't hate Catalyst, bro. I love Catalyst. I just my standards aren't firm enough. So I look for Catalyst in the morning, but if I don't see it, it's like, all right, well, let's move on to our next our next criteria. But no, I want Catalyst. I want that more than anything now. What's up, Jack? Um, nah, I get it, but I don't. Where's the 3x Bull ETF? Where y'all gonna put the ticker for the ETF or what? Yeah, that sounds really good. Yeah, SMLR. Hmm, that's interesting. What do you mean? The top is in on what? Hmm. Yeah, MSTR is way too expensive. All right, so SMLR, Tesla, Hood, DXYZ. Okay. Coin. Imagine buying 30 coins of BTC. That's crazy. Hmm. SPXL. Ah, now someone comes forward with the information. Oh, yeah. That's not your bag, bro. Hmm. Cheap lessons. Hmm. This is super spotty. Yeah, we can do that. um, it could be. It could be. I don't know. Have you seen me do that though? Why would that be my real age? I mean, honestly, bro, Q, I think I could do a lot of those things. My issue isn't that. It's always been staying away from the other stuff. The stuff that is not the setup. It's like I got anti-edge because I keep taking stupid stuff. All right, so PLTR. Um, if if PLTR had a better daily situation going on, I would have no complaints. No complaints about this trade. Um, I mean, actually, I jumped the gun a little bit. I mean, yeah, I jumped the gun a little bit. I probably the real responsible entry, like as far as waiting for confirmation and all that, would have been this one. Uh, but yeah, the daily. All right. All right, talk to me, HH. Yeah, I really plan to add most of my swing ideas to the list just throughout the time that I'm looking for stuff pre-market and I just see things, I just want to add it. So what you thinking, HH? We looking at this. I'm sure we're looking at the ATR low and just the fact that it broke down past the ATR low, broke down, closed below, all that stuff. What time frame is this? Where's the time? 15 minute. Collapse like cancer. Yeah, as soon as I pulled it up, I figured that was the takeaway here. Do I have that? I wish I had that. The ATR bands, is that what that is? I do kind of like that, but I don't understand the one line. It offers it, but I don't understand the one line ATR. Like, what is that? Like, what does that mean? What am I supposed to get from that? Yeah, I just don't understand how to read this. It goes up when it goes down. I don't know. Yeah, I'm confused too. It says ATR 14, but I don't know. It don't make any sense to me. Yeah, I guess I can't put that thing on there like you got it, but you might as well get out of there. Thought I deleted it already. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it does allow script writing. I don't know how I would apply it to the chart. It actually might be at the bottom. Yeah, script right here. What you got, man? Drop that script. See if it works. I don't know. I don't know. It says C pound. Yeah, it says C pound, bro. I saw that opening range study too, bro. I used to mess with, opening range was a big part of my strategy previously, but minutes after market open, draw area between opening range lines, opening range high line, opening range low line. Huh. Hmm. C sharp. My bad. I knew it was something. I knew that before. It's just been a minute. Uh, It seemed like that's something Chat GPT could probably do, huh? Like whatever script your language is, just tell it to convert this into C sharp. I wonder if Ben could help with that. I've just never set up Chat GPT. I don't see a way to adjust value of last point. I don't see a way to adjust this to like. Oh, okay. I get it. I get it now. Right. Yeah, I get it. And then study config, extend it. There you go. I'm gonna ask Ben in the Discord. All right. Message sent to Ben. Well, PLTR. This was not the data long PLTR. Clearly. One thing that I noticed was going well that week that I had a good week was that my picks would always go up. You know what I mean? Like my watches that I would pick, even if I messed up on the trade, they still went up for the day. You know? So this is a clear lapse. Yeah, I don't know if I want to use this opening range, bro. Just another data point to have to consider. Another variable. Yeah. What, for the reversal? Trump news? Did I close my journal? I guess I did. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't need any extra things to worry. I don't feel like I don't feel like I need like an extra tool to make decisions. I feel like I got everything as far as like my understanding and my strategy. Like I got everything to make the right decision at the right time. I'm just ignoring a lot of other things, right? Like I'm ignoring the fact that neither of the two things that I watched this morning had a good daily setup. And so I just shouldn't have traded them, you know. So it's just uh not performance, but I don't know what the word is, but it's just me being inconsistent with how I'm approaching this thing on a daily basis. Most specifically, trading when there's nothing to trade. That's that's my number one issue. Yeah, exactly, HH. Exactly. Cause like when the daily setup is there, the catalyst is there, the volume is there, and you put it in front of me, I'm gonna trade the mess out of it. The problem is you put something with no daily setup, no catalyst, and is really a short, and you put that in front of me, I'm gonna trade the heck out of it too. Generally, um, yeah. So I trade everything. Yeah, that's literally my issue, man. I have no ability. Yeah, y'all remember Blue Streak? Y'all seen that movie Blue Streak with Martin Lawrence? And he's trying to go into the police station, which is the building he hid his diamond in before it became a police station. And so he's trying to infiltrate, and he decides to go as a pizza delivery guy. And he's got these fake jacked up teeth in his mouth and everything. And so he goes in there with the pizza, and this is big fat guy sitting at the front desk, and he's like, "I need to take this upstairs," and he's like, "Man, I can't let you go upstairs." He was like, "Nah, man, I really need to deliver this." He was like, "Well, just leave it here with me." He's like, "Man, I can't leave this pizza here with you. That's like leaving candy around me. I'm gonna eat it up." That's me with these charts, bro. Like, you can't leave them around. Yeah, Mr. Officers, I got your pizza. He's getting to death like, ow, pow, pow, one time. Yo, that's me though. You can't be leaving these charts around me. I'm eat them up. We still here? We still good? Y'all still there? Accidentally kicked my charger out. Somebody say something. I think we still here. It says I'm still connected. Yeah. I'm always curious what happens when that happens. Yeah. Okay. Somebody say something. All right. Yeah, we good. Act up teeth in his mouth and everything. I got your pizza. That's hilarious. Okay, so it just kind of froze for a second. Okay. All right, we good. Somebody say something. All right, yeah, we good. Okay. um. Yeah, man. So if I could just get my discernment good, man. Duo. Ast. All right, let's see. I made myself a schedule. What time am I supposed to stop streaming? 10:15. All right. GXAI. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, that's look. I traded that day too on SMCI. I traded that day. That's what's up. Didn't do much with it, but got a little something off. Good sale though. This had to be my second trade. I had to have traded before this. Yeah, I had to have caught more of that. Guess not. Yeah, I did, Q. That was my problem today. Just ruined the whole day before it even got started, man. Okay, so this was a way late trade on this. MBIS. You don't want it today. I sure kept trying this thing. So many trades to tag, yo. You know what? What can we do here? Dang, I didn't even add none of my last week's trades. Ugh, I don't even want to see it. Tragedy. Why is it showing me with an open Mara trade? Yeah, look at this daily setup. Like, why would you buy that? Reversal plan for Apple. For the short? Dang, that thing is moving. I don't know, man. I wouldn't want to get in this way. That thing is strong. Golly. I mean, I would have to see like a big volume candle like this come in somewhere up here to think that it's reversal time. DXYZ headed back up now. I like that, Q. So you got like reasons for all your setups. Like, okay, when this does this, I do that, but I don't do it if it does that. I'm just like, is it trading? Does it have a ticker symbol? Oh, I gotta fix myself, man. All right, y'all. Trying to be more strict, business-like. Try to cut my stream at 11:15 every day, and then as soon as I get off, spend some time on my journal, and just try to create some sort of consistent routine. You know? Yeah. Nah, you right, Q. You right. I'm trying to get there, man. I appreciate all y'all's input, man. It's definitely been a help on this journey of mine. And you know, haven't had a good confidence building day in a while. But come back tomorrow and try it again, man. Come back tomorrow and try it again. The FPH. What's FPH? Is that another stock you traded or something? Sounds like a bad thing, whatever it is you're saying, bro. Hope it ain't too bad. Man. But all right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me, man. Hit that like button for me if you could. And Discord links in the description. And appreciate it, Arthur. Arthur, man, my guy. Q, Jack, Trey, HH for show. Appreciate all y'all, man. I'm getting all flimsy paper. Oh, that's hilarious, Jack. Oh man, that's funny. I gotta remember that with FPH. All right, y'all, man. Have a great day. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Be safe out here. Peace.